Okay, so are you ready to get moving? I have been like, I don't know, kind of overwhelmed by the whole fitness thing.
Yeah.
But I've been looking at all this material about starting a fitness journey.
Uh-huh.
And you know what? It's really not as scary as I thought.
I agree.
It's actually, I'm kind of excited about it.
I think we make it too complicated.
Yeah.
We're always looking for the perfect routine, you know? Like that one thing that's going to be,
Right.
the magic bullet.
Right. The magic bullet, exactly.
Yeah.
But all this stuff I've been reading, it's like,
Yeah.
it really comes down to just like finding something you actually like.
Exactly. It's like, what do you enjoy doing?
Yeah, yeah.
And how can we make that part of your life?
There's this one story, right,
Yeah.
about this woman. She hated going to the gym.
Oh, yeah.
Hated it.
Uh-huh.
But she loved to dance.
Oh, nice.
So she started doing more dance classes, like Zumba.
Oh, fun.
She would go out dancing with her friends, just made it part of her life.
Yeah.
And guess what?
What?
She lost weight, felt amazing.
Amazing.
Never even had to go to the gym.
That's the point, right?
Yeah.
It's about reframing it.
Yes.
Not a chore,
Yes.
but something that brings you joy.
Totally. And like,
Long-term,
it's all about,
not short-term suffering.
sustainability.
Yeah.
Not like, I'm going to do this crazy thing for a month and then
Yeah.
burn myself out. Right.
Exactly. It's a lifestyle.
And it's interesting because they talk a lot about mindset in these articles.
Oh, absolutely.
And that's kind of what we've been talking about. But they're saying instead of like,
Yeah.
trying to be perfect,
Yeah.
it's about making progress,
I love that.
like just
Progress over perfection.
celebrating the small victories.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. And consistency over intensity.
Yes.
Especially when you're starting out,
Right.
I mean, there was this study, and this is crazy. People who started with just like short little workouts,
Wow.
like 15 minutes a couple times a week, they were more likely to stick with it than the people who like jumped into like
Oh, wow.
hour-long gym sessions,
That makes total sense, though.
It's too much.
You don't want to intimidating and you burn out.
Yeah, exactly.
But, okay, so like, that all makes sense. But what about like
Yeah.
those days when you just don't feel like moving?
Oh, yeah,
Like, I get it. Exercise has all these mental and emotional benefits.
for sure.
They talk about that in all these articles, but
Yeah.
it's like, how do you actually get yourself to do it?
Well, so they suggest this, and I thought it was really interesting.
Okay.
They said, try to reframe how you think about exercise.
Okay.
Instead of like, ugh, this is a chore.
Right.
Think about how it makes you feel,
Yeah.
You have more energy.
Right.
You're not as stressed.
Yeah.
Even that feeling of like, I did something good for myself.
It's a sense of accomplishment,
Exactly.
right? Like,
yeah.
so you're saying it's about remembering those positive feelings.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Like, when you feel good after a workout, write it down, like a little note.
Oh, I like that.
And then like later on, when you don't want to do it, you can look back and be like,
Uh,
oh yeah, that's how I want to feel.
oh, I like that. I like that a lot.
Right.
This has been so helpful.
Good.
I feel like, I don't know,
Yeah.
like my whole view of fitness has changed.
That's great.
It's not this like
Yeah.
big scary thing anymore.
I know, it's a journey. It's not a destination.
And you know what else is really interesting?
What?
None of these articles ever even mention dieting.
That's a great point.
It's all about
Yeah.
making changes that you can actually keep up with.
Sustainable.
Like,
Yeah.
it's not about restricting yourself. It's about
Yeah.
finding that balance,
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
about well-being, The whole picture.
Okay, so I think we've covered a lot,
I think so too.
and I am like genuinely excited to
Yeah.
start
Yeah.
my own fitness journey now.
Awesome. So remember, find what you like,
Yeah.
what makes you feel good.
Yes.
It's your journey.
Yes. This was just the beginning. Time to get moving. Right.
You got it.
Thanks for listening, everybody.
See ya.
And we'll see you on our next deep dive.
Bye.